Hey YouTube, this is Jacob Lankus with Lankus the Bushcraft. Today I want to talk to you guys about one of the most beautiful knives I own in my collection. It is American Knife Company Force Knife. Man, I hope that's picking up these. It's orange and red maple burl. And I'm telling you guys what, man, these things are gorgeous. Look at that. And the wind's blowing me around. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Man, that's super annoying. Anyways, super windy day. Anybody that watches this lives near Indiana knows that it's been raining non-stop for the last week or two. Everything's flooded. So, anyways, this is 8 inches, 3/4 inch overall. Blade is just a hair over 4 inches, cutting edge of 4 inch. It's got a Scandi Vex on it, which is not a true Scandi, but stuff goes through freaking wood like it's nothing. It's got the pommel down here, a little silver chromed out pommel. I don't want to say silver, but I mean, this thing is just beautiful. It's A2 tool steel. It's got a Rockwell of 58 to 60. Look at that. One thing I don't like about this, though, I mean, it's got a really skinny handle. See that? Here, let me find. Here's my LT Wright GNS. Look at the difference. I don't know if you guys can pick that up or not, but hell, even my Bravo. This is a little better example. But yeah. But using it over a long time, it actually is nice because it doesn't fatigue your hand any. Only other thing I dislike about it actually is the sheath. It's well leather made, but I really wish they would have thought about like how it hung on your belt. Because check this out. Now, I don't like knives where I feel like I can cut the side of my ribs. I like danglers. And this, you don't have the option. You can wear it scout or upright like this, but it's up so high that it just bothers me. And it does have a magnet in it. I mean, this thing will never leave. It's got the ferro rod holder. But anyways, see what she can do. Alright guys, I was actually moving my stuff and getting ready to get a closer view so I can show you guys, you know, a close-up of this. And I got pooped on by a bird. I mean, what is that crap? I mean, literally, what's that crap? Oh man. It's the first day in like 2 weeks I get to come out and I get pooped on by birds. Oh man. Okay, let's see what else the knife can do. Alright guys. I've been pooped on by birds. I think they were sending me a message. Anyways, here's the sheath. Like I said, it's got a magnet in the back, so it's not ever going anywhere. And yes, I'm gonna finish this whole freaking review on this knife with bird poop on me. Alright. Ain't that some shit? And I'm telling you guys what though, I mean, this knife, I mean, really is just a phenomenal bush knife. wonderful curls. Watch, I mean, this just cuts through wood like it's just so easy. Look how fast that makes that deep notch. So if you're trying to set up traps or stakes for a tent, like I said, I mean, this is probably the most beautiful knife I own. This thing is just so gorgeous. I don't know if you can, like I said, see all the wood grain in the sunlight. But yeah, it's just absolutely beautiful. It just wants to cut through this wood like it's just, I mean, it's just amazing. Absolute amazing tool. Let's break it some more wood with it. Break down and process some wood. There we go. There's some drier stuff. It's just, look at that curls on those. Paper thin curls. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap up this shitty review after getting pooped on. But yeah, this is my review on the American Knife Company Forest. Overall, I mean, just a fantastic knife. Yes, you can still see the bird shit. What a day. But yeah, like I said, the only flaw I have about this knife is they need to make up some kind of dangler system, or if anything, they should have this up right around here, so it's not sitting so high up on your side. But I do like how it's got all these little holes so you can piggyback it on something. But yeah, overall, I mean, the knife's great. Look at that upsweep on the thing. When you see blades have those upsweeps, I mean, they just want to constantly cut. You see? Super light in the hand too. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you like it, hit the like button. Right next to that, there's a subscribe button. If you guys want to subscribe, that's great. Like I said, I apologize for not putting out as many videos as I have been. But yeah, you guys have a good day and God bless. Thanks.